Welcome to Parul Kids TV. A for
aeroplane.
B for
Baby.
C for
Car.
D for
Doll.
E for
Eagle.
F for
Flag.
G for
God.
H for
House.
I for
Ice.
J for
Jug.
K for
Kite.
L for
Lamb.
M for
Mango.
N for
Nest.
O for
Owl.
P for
Peacock.
Q for
Queen.
R for
Rose.
S for
Ship.
T for
Tiger.
U for
Umbrella.
V for
Van.
W for
Ball.
X for
X-ray.
Y for
Yak.
Z for
Zebra.